I am here today with Ryan Styma of Triton Innovation, LLC. Hey Ryan, how's it going?
Hey Jackie, I'm doing good. How about you?
Good, I'm good. It's nice and cool out and I appreciate that.
For sure.
So what exactly does Triton Innovation, LLC, what do they do?
Well, here at Triton, we manufacture stainless steel belt conveyors and container dumpers with a little bit of a focus on the food industry or anything that would involve a sanitary or hygienic application.
Okay, and actually you can see examples of what you guys do in the photos behind you and then also on the front of the podium there in front of you. So probably something that people don't necessarily think about. Yeah, you need something, sanitary for food applications. So what is your role specifically within the company?
My role is basically in sales. I guess what I do is I deal with our manufacturers reps. Triton has a network of reps across the United States and Canada that represent our equipment. They might have other lines of equipment on their line card as well. And they're out looking for opportunities for us. When we get opportunities that come in here to the office, we're passing them along to our reps depending on which territory they're in across the country. And I work directly with them and they report to me.
And how long have you been in that role?
I've been in that role now for probably 2.5 years.
Okay.
Close to that.
Okay. So there's currently an engineering position open with Triton. Can you talk to us a little bit about, I know you're not an engineer, but can you talk a little bit about what that position entails and maybe what would make someone successful in that position?
Sure. Well, Triton has had some growth in the last couple of years, which has been really good for us, and that's kind of required us to go out and try to add to our engineering team. We're going to be looking for somebody that's going to help us continue to develop new products, improve the current offerings that we have. But I think as far as basic requirements, they're a bachelor's degree in engineering is what we're looking for. Somebody that has some SolidWorks experience. If they're familiar with our industry, like the food industry or just sanitary in general or stainless steel, that helps. We're kind of a small team right now, so good communication skills would be a good requirement. I mean, they're going to be communicating with the sales team, our general manager, the folks down at the shop. So there's a lot of communication, maybe even talking to customers sometimes. So that's key as well.
Okay, that's excellent. I know we're promoting that job, and if anybody's interested, they can visit the ESI page at 358-jobs.com. What would you tell somebody who's looking to work at Triton? What's it like, or what are your favorite parts?
Well, I think what I like the most about it is that every day ends up being something different. We work on a different application every day, and even though it might be a similar product, especially in the sanitary world, every customer can have different requirements. So even if it's, for instance, like we're working on something that's vegetables or whatnot, but it's in a different facility, their needs and their cleaning requirements could be entirely different. So every day is something new. Different projects. We stay pretty busy, especially with me in the rep world. I've got stuff coming in just about every day. So it's new and exciting, and it's something you never stop learning, really.
Excellent.
Whether it's about the application or a different piece of equipment, it's always something new.
Awesome. Sounds like a great opportunity to be here. Is there anything else that you'd like to add or let people know who might be interested in what you do or what Triton's got going on?
Yeah, I think that I'm a pretty good example of somebody, if you're out there looking for a new opportunity and you're willing to learn. I did not have any background in industrial sales prior to this. I worked in retail for a long time. And for somebody looking for a new opportunity, the willingness to learn, you're motivated. There's a lot of opportunities here with possibly with Triton or our partner companies. You can move up into leadership roles. It's always something new, exciting. I know that when I started, I went from being really nervous helping customers and being able to answer their questions to now I'm pretty confident when we're working on applications and able to, help them figure out what's going to be the best solution for their problem or their application.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Ryan. We really appreciate this.
You're welcome. Thank you.